Emma, 29, sarcastic, restless, fiddles with a half-dead lamp. Across from her, Maya, 30, bright-eyed, fidgety, a literal key in her back, suddenly freezes. Her eyes go glassy. She stops mid-sentence. Emma? Oh, great! You're buffering again. She walks over, stares at the shiny brass key protruding from Maya's spine. Sighs. Emma, every time. We're having a perfectly normal conversation and you just… Windows 95 crash on me. She reluctantly grabs the key and turns. The sound is oddly cheerful, a metallic wind-up toy Richet. Maya inhales sharply, comes back to life with a grin. Maya, sing-song. And I'm back. Emma. Yeah, well, you missed me ranting about the tragic state of IKEA lamps, so, your loss. Maya, smiling. I like it when you wind me. You're gentle. Emma. Gentle? I literally just cranked you like a lawnmower. Maya, laughing. Yeah, but like, lovingly. Emma stares at her, flustered. Maya just smiles, humming faintly, the key slowly unwinding.